Hi, welcome to Joe Brown Tool Guide. Thanks for watching. Let's take a look at another exciting product. This is the Gerber suspension multi-tool. The suspension multi-tool is a butterfly style multi-tool. The handle is spring-loaded. It's very easy to use. The tool measures about 6.5 inches open and about 4 inches closed. It has Saf.T.Plus locking components, as you can see here. The tool has 11 convenient features: a needle nose pliers, a wire cutter stripper, straight blade knife, serrated blade knife, Phillips screwdriver, large and medium flathead screwdrivers, a scissors, a bottle opener, can opener, saw, awl, and a lanyard ring on the back. It also comes, as you can see here, with a ballistics grade nylon sheath. The sheath has a loop on the back to attach to your belt. This is a very nice tool from Gerber. You can see all the components. Nice tool in a compact size.